I'm here today with Susan Kuby, who is team manager for the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Hey, Susan.
Hi, Jim. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. So I'm going to ask you a couple questions. First off, what do you think of the vibe here on the team in the office?
I love the vibe. I walk in and everyone's always so happy and energetic and it's just always positive and upbeat.
That's a lot due to you. And we're always there. You're always there to answer questions and help everybody. Nobody ever has to struggle. So thank you.
You're welcome.
So Susan, what do you think sets us apart from other teams and offices?
Well, it's a family first environment here. I think that's really nice because we always put family first. If somebody has a situation, there's always someone here to back them up and help them out. And, you know, if you're down, if you're having a bad day, you walk in and somebody's always here to cheer you up.
You know, that's 100% our philosophy, is that your family has to come first. A real estate agent cannot help their clients if their family is in distress or if they've got some needs. So we do back each other up and help each other out. Susan, how do our team's values align with yours?
Well, I think they match up perfectly because, again, like I said, we put family first, and I'm all about an environment of collaboration, and that's what I feel we have here. We collaborate, we share ideas with each other. Again, it's just, you know, amazing.
When you hire one of us, you hire all 40 of us.
Exactly. That's what I love about it.
Exactly. So that's one of the things that you had expressed to me, that you were so happy that we always put our families first, and then of course our clients and our clients' needs above our own. So Susan, what makes our team unique?
Well, I like to call it the 3 T's. Trust. I can trust everybody here. Other offices I've worked at, you can't trust everybody. They might backstab you. Here, I've never had that happen, and we wouldn't put up with that.
No, that won't happen.
Secondly, training. We have the best training around. You come in, you know what you're doing, and that kind of falls back on the trust thing. I trust everybody because they're well trained and they know what they're doing. And the last one is teamwork. We all work together as a team and we value each other, and there you go, the 3 T's, trust, training, and teamwork.
The 3 T's. Well, thank you very much. Any last words you want to say about our team, or I think we're good to go?
No, if you're looking to make a move, give me a call or give Jim a call. We're happy to talk.
So hey, thanks Susan. That's Susan Kuby, team leader, sales manager at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes. Thanks for your time.
You're welcome, Jim. Happy to help.